This gaming desktop doesn't really try to impress you with hype. It just quietly shows up, boots fast, runs everything you throw at it, and reminds you why high-end PCs still matter in 2026. From the moment you hit the power button, the experience feels immediate. No long waiting screens, no sluggish startup behavior, just straight into a responsive Windows 11 Pro environment that feels ready for work, gaming, or creation instantly. That speed is coming from a combination of high-performance Ryzen 7 or Ryzen 9 processors, paired with fast DDR5 memory and NVMe storage that removes almost every traditional bottleneck you'd expect from a standard desktop. When it comes to gaming, the real focus here is the RTX 50 series GPU. This is where things start to feel noticeably next-gen. Modern titles don't just run, they run with high fidelity, advanced lighting, and smooth frame pacing that keeps everything feeling consistent even in heavy action scenes. Ray tracing isn't just a visual gimmick here. It actually adds depth to reflections, shadows, and environments in a way that changes how immersive games feel. At 4K resolution, performance stays surprisingly stable across demanding AAA titles. Instead of constantly adjusting settings to maintain smooth gameplay, this system is designed to handle high settings from the start. Whether it's open-world exploration, competitive shooters, or cinematic single-player games, the experience stays fluid and responsive. One of the most important parts of any modern PC build is multitasking, and this is where 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM makes a real difference. You're not just gaming anymore, you're streaming, recording, editing, browsing, and running background apps all at the same time. The system doesn't feel overloaded. Switching between tasks stays smooth, and performance remains stable even under pressure. Storage speed is another area where this machine stands out. The 2TB NVMe SSD changes how the entire system feels on a daily basis. Games load quickly, large applications open instantly, and file transfers feel almost immediate. It removes that typical delay that most users are used to and replaces it with a more instant response workflow. Visually, the system is built with a clean gaming aesthetic rather than an over-designed flashy look. It still has that modern RGB gaming presence, but it's controlled and balanced. It fits just as well in a professional workspace as it does in a full gaming battle station setup. The transparent side panel gives a clear view of the internal components, which adds to the premium feel without going over the top. Cooling performance is also a major part of the design. High-performance CPUs and GPUs naturally generate heat, but this system manages thermals efficiently under load. Even during extended gaming sessions or heavy rendering tasks, performance doesn't throttle in a noticeable way, and fan noise remains controlled enough that it doesn't distract from gameplay or work. Connectivity is fully modernized. With USB-C support, multiple high-speed ports, Wi-Fi 6 capability, and strong expansion potential, the system is ready for almost any setup you can imagine. Whether you're connecting high refresh rate monitors, external storage, VR headsets, or streaming gear, everything integrates without friction. Speaking of VR, the setup is fully VR ready, and that's not just a label. The combination of high-end GPU performance and strong CPU output makes virtual reality applications feel smooth and responsive. Motion tracking feels stable, visuals stay sharp, and latency is kept low enough for a comfortable, immersive experience. For creators, this machine performs just as strongly as it does for gamers. Video editing, 3D rendering, motion graphics, and productivity-heavy workflows all benefit from the raw performance on offer. Export times are reduced, previews run smoother, and timelines remain responsive even with high-resolution content. What really stands out is how future-ready this system feels. Hardware like this isn't just built for current games or applications. It's designed with enough overhead to stay relevant for upcoming titles and software demands. That means fewer upgrades in the near future and more consistent performance over time. Overall, this gaming desktop is positioned as a complete performance solution. It's not just about gaming, and it's not just about productivity, it's about handling both at a high level without compromise. Fast storage, strong processing power, next-gen graphics, and modern connectivity all come together in one unified system. For anyone looking to step into high-end gaming or upgrade to a more capable workstation, this kind of setup represents a serious jump in performance and responsiveness. It's built for users who want their system to keep up with everything they do, without slowing down when it matters most. If you're interested in getting this setup, check the link in the description for more details and availability.